Barb Makes Things!
This last weekend, I went to Sparklecon, or as someone dubbed it, Sprinklecon, since, despite being in Southern California, it was raining a lot. This is Cool J. That's the latest energy drink. Cool J with extra Aussie. There were some fabulous talks this weekend. Probably my favorite was by Helen Lee, author, maker, educator, and purveyor of electronic music gadgets, like her Mini Moo glove. People were making bump keys, and I just had to get in on the fun. The Plasmatorium next door was open with art and light and music. And modular synths. Joe here taught me to juggle. Well, I only got up to 2 balls, but this is way better than I've ever been able to do it before. Roger was working on some circuit sculptures to complement his Kiss Band ones. This is a taco truck for a light-up circuit board taco. So Jay took pictures with his Polaroid camera, and then everyone took video of them developing, and of course I took video of that. Because meta.
We needed to test the voltage of this battery pack out of this old Polaroid camera, and it's 5.84 volts. Just wanted to make sure that you knew what the voltage was.
Okay. We're gonna open this battery pack now and see what's inside.
All right, let's try this Tesla coil out.
Yeah, what do you power it with?
We're gonna power it with the power of love.
What voltage is that?
E-paper display with an ESP32 microcontroller.
Giant Jenga with hammers. I approve. And gumball pinball. I really enjoyed interacting with everyone who came out to my talk. Can't go wrong nerding out about documentation. And now I guess I'm making a standalone card game. Roger and Jasmine finished out the weekend for presentations. Much hacking. What kind of hacker conference would it be without this? Thank you to 23B for hosting. I'm looking forward to next year. Make sure to take a look at some of my other builds and how-tos. There are a lot of them. Don't forget to subscribe, and if you click the little bell, you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. If you'd like to get videos a little early and support my channel, you can visit my Patreon page. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.